What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mammoth 4Runner. I'm back with the 6th gen and the mods continue. We're in the engine bay. I got the hood pop because it is time to get this stock air intake out and go cool air intake. A couple benefits: tiny bit of horsepower, a little bit of better gas mileage, and it sounds sick with the turbo. Mainly why we're doing it. I mean, let's be honest here. We like turbo noises. All right, guys, so for the cool air intake, what I have is from 6th Element here. Yeah, let's see the 38s. Oh yeah, coming soon. Yeah, so from 6th Element, we have their cool air intake. Comes with a cool sticker, their logo, instructions. We're gonna need those. Put those right over here. Those over there. And yeah, look how nice this thing is. It looks, this is how it should look OEM, in my opinion. Now, I did open this yesterday and it had, this whole thing was covered in this sticker, and it was like cut out. So when you pull off the sticker, you just have this logo. But it was really confusing because when I popped it off, these are held in by magnets here, by the way. When I popped it off, the whole thing was in this color. And so I thought maybe it was just wood. It looked wood. And I'm like, huh, a wood look. That's a little different. I'm like, that can't be right. It can't be right. So I started scraping a little bit, and sure as shit, it came off, and that was what was left over. But you can take this off too if you like. You know, it's just a sticker. So it looks awesome. I'm excited to get this on the truck. I never got one on the 4th gen Tacoma, so I'm excited to hear the turbo noises and all the good things that come with it. So with that said, let's jump into the install. And right off the bat, I'm gonna unplug the battery here, just because anytime you're working with anything electrical, it's a smart idea to turn off your battery. So I'm gonna turn that off, start taking this all apart. I watched one little quick video on how to do it, and it's relatively simple. If you've ever changed out an air intake, you got this. You're good, don't worry. Oh, hey, by the way, my fingers finally kind of getting a little bit better. I don't know if you guys have noticed that in my last videos, but I smashed my finger when I was working on the white 1st gen a few weeks back, and it's just all bruised up, so it hasn't come off yet. Anyway, might cut that out. Anyway, guys, so let's go ahead and get this taken off, and let's jump into 6th Element. All right, so first off, we're gonna have to snap all this off. These things still like to stick, so just be careful, because if you pop it up, and there goes one right there, and that's exactly what happens. You pop it up and they end up flinging up, and then they go down into a never-ending abyss. So that just happened as I'm trying to record this, as right when I said it too. It's like right when you think about it, say it. So boom, first piece off, and maybe I'll find that piece eventually. Take off the cooler intake. Just gonna pop that. Let's see, I have to take this whole piece off, so we will start with this one. Guys, take it off anyway. Let's go ahead and remove the mass airflow sensor. Which, remember what way you're taking this out, because apparently you have to have it in a certain way. Okay. Don't lose your screws. Look at that. The whole thing just pops out. It's not bolted down or anything. Right, and that's what it looks like removed. So the box is not held down by any bolts. Back in the 5th gen, there was 2 bolts that held it down on the inside. That does not have it, it's just sitting in there. So, and it was all held down pretty tight. It felt like almost it was bolted down, but it was not. So don't worry about that. I got the hose off, mass airflow sensor, and let's jump over to 6th Element and get their situation situated. All right, so let's see. Oh, got all the pieces here. Now, a really cool thing here is that this is such an easy install. This is not rocket science. And look how much care they put into wrapping. Jeez. All right, so check it out. We have all of the parts that we need to assemble. I'm gonna go ahead and line it up here, set the box in, and start assembling each of the pieces. All right, so a couple things you're gonna need from your stock box. There are these little rubber grommet things that are gonna go right here on the bottom. So this is actually what holds it down. So unlike the previous generation, it's not screwed down. It's just nice and snug with these little rubber grommets. Okay. So what I'm doing here is lining up little rings here too, so I can reach them better. All right, so I just got everything buttoned down. It's all nice and tight. I just put the mass airflow sensor in there, but it's not bolted down yet. What I want to do is double check 6 Element Engineering's install guide, just to make sure I have that mass airflow sensor the right way, because it has to go in there a specific way. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it, which I'm gonna leave in the link in the description, just so you guys have another perspective, because they go in like exact detail, whereas mine is always kind of an overlook. So this is what I'm using, and I'm watching where they put in their mass airflow sensor. So just to be on the safe side, even though I think I have it in the right place, I just wanna double check.
Is pointing towards the airbox, and this flat side is going towards the engine. So we're gonna take this piece and slide it on here.
So, as I was saying, I knew I had it right, but just you guys double check to make sure it looks just like that. All right, with that said, let's go ahead and button it down and see what this thing sounds like. You do need an Allen key for theirs. Tighten this down. All right, so we're all tightened down. I'm gonna take off the last little sticker here, because when I was watching their video, I noticed theirs was much thinner. All right, so I just put back the last clip. What's cool about this is they went ahead and took away all those other clips, so you just have one to hold it into place, and the thing's still snug. So every time you want to take this out, you don't have to like click, 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 click. You know, just those little things, those damn clips, you know, trust me, within a couple years, you're gonna lose half of them anyway. So less is better. All right, guys, so we are all buttoned down. Mass airflow sensor is back. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this mic underneath the hood and see if we can get some turbo noises. Let's go. I'm gonna leave the links and everything in the description below as per usual. So make sure you guys go check out 6 Element, give them some love. And if you're thinking about this for your 6th gen or your 4th gen, just go get it. Don't even bother. You won't regret it. It looks sick. and it sounds amazing. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. It helps the video, helps the algorithm, and allows me to be able to push out some more videos for you guys. And we got a lot of mods to come. I got some surprises coming in just this week, so keep an eye on my Instagram and into my YouTube posts, giving you guys some updates on some future stuff that's coming. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next one.